I'm in Yaba market to get my curtain and blind. I have this old curtain. I want to repurpose. I want to use it in this new place. Let me show you guys the material. See? So short, so I need to make it longer. How does this thing match this thing? I want white. Now they bring colored objects for me. This silver. Pick one. So this for the white curtain. Let's see. This one or this one? What is that? Guys, can you imagine? I saw those rings. I had to buy the rings. I wanted to be sure that I'm not being cheated. I saw the ring for 100 inside. I went to another shop and the shop told me 700 for one ring. I just saw the man thief. Go and carry gun. Mr. Amos, that's his name. The tailor that I saw in my curtain. So he's taking me to somewhere I can buy the blinds.
Friendship matters a lot.
Friendship matters a lot.
Yes.
Aww.
Money is not everything.
Okay.
Friendship matters a lot.
Okay.
Yes. Love. One love.
Hi. Sorry. You guys see this one? Let's see the side. So I'll be using this for the kitchen and this one for the bathroom. So how will I give birth? Are you okay? Yeah? I'm eating pizza while I wait for them to do my blinds. The curtain guy has been sewing and I'm waiting for my blinds. Okay, let me see that one. What's the longest? It's okay. Perfect. AC installation. You guys see how messy everywhere it looks. I'm tired. I'm tired. Now I see why I never moved for the past 8 to 9 years. I have been waiting for the furniture guy to bring my wardrobe. Let me show you guys. See my clothes. That's my towel. I just cleaned the bathroom. And this furniture man has been doing me come today, come tomorrow. I pity him because when it's time to pay him, I'll tell him to go, sir. Don't worry, I will send you the money. I will hold up to his money for 50 years. I'm tired, honestly. I'm exhausted. Tired, settling in, fixing things. It's too much mental work. I need to call someone that will come and fix my curtain and my blind. Oh, God. I'm gonna go shower. Eating turkey because who work go chop. This is the carpenter that has been disappointing me. This is the man when they disappoint. See my mirror. Now your bum become the show. That's good. Keep showing. You don't want your face to show. That bum you want make you show. Ekuche metal. Now so your voice go enter the video. See as you dey shout out like this. That's how you go there. Hey, well, okay, smile now. Say hi to the camera. I'm so powerful. I don't know batteries to play. Yeah. Why did they mark out? You go feel clean.
You go clean, man.
Yeah.
You wash out with soap.
You? You get soap?
Go give us soap.
Hey, Ebami, oh. Ebarami. Emireba. Ebarami, Emireba, Ebarami, Emireba, Ebarami. So it's taking shape. The cutting guy is on his way to take care of my cotton and the blinds. Everywhere is a mess. Guys, look at my house. Everything is everywhere. Everywhere in this house. Ah, even the TV is in the bathroom. Mwah. Tired. So this is the mirror. Okay. And this is the curtain. I'm yet to dress it, so I'll be trunking these wires and maybe I'll repaint later. Now shishi it isn't shishi no day. Shishi is not shishering. So look at the curtain. I need to take it to the dry cleaner, to the laundry. It's dirty. Ooh. This mirror is shocking me. Look at the blind, guys. I have already installed them. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you the kitchen one too. So while I was doing installation, I was too tired. I wasn't even seeing anything. So I didn't even make a video while installation was going on. But this is how the blind looks in the bathroom. Let me show you guys. So this is the controller. This is what you use to open it. But you know, aside from this blind, they have other ones, like the one that opens like iron and the wooden one too. But I chose this pattern because it's more stylish and it looks more modern. And I like the fact that this rhymes with my wall. So, do you guys like it? What do you think? Let me open it for you. So this is it. And I also love the fact that this blind is covering the ugliness of this my protector. So I'm always leaving my blind closed. Yeah. I put something here just to hang this thing. They've taken power. Then this is for the kitchen. Okay. This is it. Let me show you guys. Let me open it for you. I have onions by the window. Am I closed? You see? All closed. So I also put a nail. I screwed a nail here just to hang this thing. It can't just be dangling on the sink. No. So there's a nail here to keep it. Mwah. No buzz. Good morning, guys. Today makes it 3 weeks since I moved in. It's been one hell of a ride, though. Jesus. Moving is not easy, oh. Moving is not easy, oh. I mean, financially and mentally too. But it is one of the most beautiful things I've done for myself so far. Because that place I was living in, I was like, Seta, you passed this place, oh. Can you not like this? Why you pressing money as if money is your kidney? Spend this motherfucking money. Chop your money. Next thing now, they will scam me and take this money. Oh. Nah. You know that I've gotten to the stage that if I'm spending money, I'm happy. You know, or like before, if I'm spending money, I feel so angry that money is coming out from my pocket or from my account. I used to check my account every time. I used to be so scared that money will not come. But now I'm like, fuck it. It's money. Money comes and goes. Chop life. All die and die. And I love it. I love it. It's so sweet. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. Why will you see me? Thank you guys for sticking around with me in this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. I can't wait to see you in my next video.